I think I might have just taken a video, picture of you. Oh no, I switched cameras.
Oh, you bad. No!
Quickly. Oh, did it go out?
I think it's gone out. No! Fail.
Retard.
Yeah, get it out.
This is scary.
Oh. Exploding in your hand.
Oh no, the fuse is all the way back as well.
Got the fuse there? Got the fuse?
Yeah, it's like the sketchiest thing it's ever.
We're going to do what we did with the other one?
Yeah.
Like,
yeah.
Oh, I'm wiggling the end.
You'll get all the.
Matt, do you want to hold this?
Don't. Yeah, put it in the end. Don't put your. And get the other stick.
No, we can't shove that in.
Wedge it in next to the other stick, and that way you don't have to hold it.
Hold it flat. That in.
No, like underneath it though. Okay, yeah, that'll work. Hang on. Put your hand back further, you retard.
Put your hand further down the metal pole.
Yeah.
I can't do it.
Oh crap, this is just going to be bad as hell.
How do you think this is going to go?
Oh, Jesus Christ. I'm scared. Are you scared?
Give it some time, Matt. It's not actually a gas lighter.
Oh shit!
Matt, don't forget, sparking it up too much will probably ruin all the gas.
Oh yeah.
Ruin all the gas.
Ruin all your gas. I have gas.
Haha. Good one. We're going to step behind you here.
Jinx. Watch your hand, Matt. I think that's gone.
What? Where did the stick go then? Did it fly? Oh, is that there? That's hello.